Disc is an ecological power tool for your bike chain care. It takes just seconds to prepare your bike for the next trip. The Green Disc is super easy to handle and leak-proof. No oil dripping on the ground, no more dirty hands, no more greasy fingers, and no chain goo on your clothes.
This is the new Green Disc, a revolution in bicycle chain maintenance. With this small disc, your bicycle chain will never run dry or rust ever again. And your chain will only get as much oil as it really needs. That keeps our environment healthy and clean. Never again will half of the oil end up on your hands, the ground, a rack or your bike frame. The new Green Disc is a second further development of our LubriDisc, which we launched here on Kickstarter 2 years ago. We won the German Design Award for its innovative functionality, and now we have over 40,000 satisfied customers. The new Green Disc offers an optimized profile of the lubricator wheel, so it connects better with the rotating chain, making the delivery of the oil more efficient.
If your chain dries out because of rain or dust, with the Green Disc your bike is ready for use again in a few seconds. Simply hold the Green Disc between your fingers, press it slightly onto your chain and turn the crank backwards. Everything else happens automatically. When the job's done, your hands look like freshly washed and you can put the Green Disc's oil-tight can in your pocket, your bag, or backpack.
With one charge of oil, your Green Disc is ready to lubricate your chain up to 10 times. Refilling the Green Disc is super easy. Just open up the disc and soak the lubricator wheel with oil. Close the disc and it's ready for use again. Once the lubricator wheel is dirty, it's really easy to change. And by using our organic chain lube, you can help to keep the environment clean, because everything you see here is biodegradable.
The Green Disc saves oil up to 90%. That's good for you and good for the environment. The Green Disc is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour. Green Disc. Make the world a little greener.